Ganon yung taste niya. Ganon talaga. Tada! Wala, natouch ako. It's here! Sorry guys, ang ganda! Hey guys, so 11:17 AM, medyo late tayong nagising. And today, as you can see in the title, we will be unboxing my silver play button. But before that, let me just go ahead and get my coffee. Because you know, coffee is life. Hey guys, okay, share ko lang moment ito. So this is the newest coffee that I've been drinking for the past days. It comes in 3 different flavors. We have original, the white, and the brown. Ito ang Pacquiao coffee. At hindi ito kagaya ng mga 3-in-1 dito sa Pilipinas kasi ito ang pinakauna and only brand in the Philippines that is fortified with malunggay extract. Can you imagine? Kape na may malunggay extract. Ang kapeng ito is locally made with locally sourced ingredients. So, this coffee is purely Filipino para sa mga Pilipino. Hindi lang kape ni Pacman pero hashtag kape ng bayan. Sarap. Tara, kape. So guys, ayun. Nalalasahan mo talaga yung malunggay. Pero hindi yung tipong parang ganon yung taste niya. Ganon talaga. Yung tipong masarap pala siya. Masarap pala yung kapeng may malunggay. So, ayun. Anyway, guys, so ito na yung pinakahihintay ko talaga na unboxing. So, before natin i-unbox yung aking silver play button, story time muna. So, actually, late akong nag-request sa YouTube ng aking silver play button. So, hindi ko pa siya in-unbox kasi sobrang busy ko pa at gusto ko talagang, alam mo yon, yung may panahon talaga akong umupo at i-unbox at i-feel yung moment na ma-unbox ko yung silver play button. Ito na nga, ito na yung ating unboxing nating silver play button. Let's start! Tada! Ayan siya guys, sobrang nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso na finally umabot na tayo ng more than 100,000. Actually, nasa 200k subscribers na tayo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe. So, wag na natin patagalin pa, i-unbox na muna natin tong ating silver play button. Yay! Oh, my letter from YouTube. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Rick, thank you so much. Ayun na. Thank you so much, Rick, for handling my award with care. Ayan, may letter tayo from YouTube. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light here, they could take you from one side. Wala, natouch ako. Sobrang congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of the many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube. It's here. It says presented to Hi Malaya. Sorry guys, alam mo yung iba pala talaga pag nakikita mo yung silver play button, nakakaiyak. Gosh, thank you YouTube, thank you, it's here. Thank you so much. It's here. Ang ganda, ang ganda. paglagay ko dito. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda! So, ayun na nga, na-open na natin ang ating silver play button. Guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na ako. Sobrang emotional ko na tao. Ganito talaga ako. Again, thank you guys so much. Hindi pa rin po ako makapaniwala na meron sa inyong, actually ngayon, 200,000 subscribers na tayo. I can't believe that there are 200,000 of you right now who are watching this, who are supporting me, who are loving me. Maraming salamat po sa tanan nga nagtanaw ani, nga nagasuportan ako since day one. I actually started 2018 and I haven't been really that active. Not until last year na nag-lockdown, dun lang talaga ako naging super active sa YouTube. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, even ng mga videos ko pa noon sa Facebook, yung Hi Malaya. Thank you guys so much sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin. Again, it is true. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, lagi nang naririnig ito, pero totoo po yun. Maraming salamat po talaga sa lahat ng suportang ibinibigay nyo sa mga YouTubers na kagaya ko. Kasi po, kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, totoo po yan, wala po kami sa kung nasan kami ngayon. Hindi po namin mararanasan ang lahat ng mga nararanasan naming magaganda. Hindi namin mabibili yung mga bagay na dati pinapangarap lang namin. Thank you for inspiring me to create contents. You guys also have no idea how much you inspire me. So thank you guys so much. Again, this plaque, the silver play button is for all of us. And my message to other YouTubers na who are working so hard to create contents para dumami yung mga subscribers, to inform, to entertain, to make people laugh, to make people smile, to make them inspired. If you are struggling right now, ang masasabi ko lang, push lang ng push. Just to be consistent, to be yourself, be active on all your social media platforms. Do not just focus on YouTube, focus as well on Instagram, on Facebook page. Kasi dun mo din ipopost pag, alam mo yon, meron kang bagong content sa YouTube, ganyan. Ayun, just believe in yourself. Ikaw na nanonood ngayon, if you're just starting, you won't always be at the bottom. Darating yung panahon na tataas din yung subscribers mo, mamomonetize din yung channel mo, marami ding hahanga sa'yo, maraming manonood sa'yo. I-claim mo na yan, manifest it. Mabibili mo yung gusto mong, yung pangarap mong bahay, mabibili mo yung pangarap mong kotse, mabibili mo yung mga gusto ng mga kapatid mo, mabibigay mo yung mga gusto ng mama at papa mo, makakatulong ka sa pamilya mo. Just make sure you love what you're doing, you know. Ayun, maging totoo ka. Kasi the more subscribers you have, ibig sabihin, mas maraming tao yung naniniwala sa'yo. And whatever you tell them, whatever you show them, most of them will really agree. Most of them will really follow you kasi nagiging influence ka nila. So just make sure to be a good example to your followers. Know your audience para alam mo din yung market mo. Do not pretend to be someone else. Huwag kang magpakaarong nun kung sa Bisaya pa. Just show the people who you are, kung ano yung lifestyle mo, kung saan ka magaling, yun yung i-focus mo. Ano pa ba? Just believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, na kung maniwala ka lang sa mga pangarap mo sa buhay, focus ka lang talaga sa goal mo. Maraming mga bashers dyan, lalong-lalo na pag nakikilala ka na, may marami talagang magja-judge sa'yo, pero wag mo silang i-mind. Again, just focus on your dreams and focus on the people who matter. Sana supportahan niyo pa ako sa mga endeavors natin sa buhay. Ang dami ko pang plano, guys. Basta magla-live update ako very soon. Yun lang. Maraming salamat po again for all the love and support. And to more subscribers, more inspiring content, more informative contents, more entertaining contents. Maraming salamat po. Kaya ni natong tanan mga YouTubers, laban lang ta sa live. Again, thank you guys so much. See you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah!